This is our cabin on the Sun Princess going out of Fort Lauderdale. When you first walk in, it's just a little bit narrow, but on the right hand side, you do have the bathroom, which is a very nice bathroom. We are in a balcony room, which is not a suite, so the bathroom is pretty good size for this. You have the shampoo, conditioner, body wash. You have the detachable shower head, and we love the glass doors. And when you go on into the room right here in the hallway is where you have your closets. It lights up when you open the doors, which is nice, but like I said, it's a little bit narrow. You have a couch which pulls out into a bed. The room is pretty spacious. We have a queen size bed, and you have your TV in front of it, which it is very roomy. Looks very, very comfortable. And out on the balcony, we absolutely just love the balconies. And we see Fort Lauderdale. You have a couple of chairs and a little table, and you can just sit out here and relax and enjoy your cruise.